Hello, children. This is fourth standard English. Already you have learned the robot poem. The continuation of the robot poem. This is lesson one, the trick robot. The trick robot is about robot only. One boy, he wants to buy a robo and have that robo with him. So let the robo helps you. So he was thinking that robo will do all the work. So let me see what is in the lesson. Vicky was a very lazy boy. He doesn't want to do his work. He doesn't want to do his homework. He never did his homework on time. He never kept his things back in the right place. So he'll never do his work. He's very lazy. He doesn't want to do the homework. All the things. So father thought that he needs some help for him. So he pleaded to his father to buy him a robot to do his work. He was asking his father to do his work. He wants to one robot. So father wanted him to become an active boy. So he bought a trick robot. The robot was very trick. Vicky did not know that it was a trick robot. He was glad to have a robot to do all his work. He was very happy. Glad means happy, and he wants to do that. He was seeing the robo and he thinks that robo will do all his work. So he was very happy and telling his father, thank you. So Vicky, I have bought a new robot. It is intelligent robot. Will do all your work and enjoy. Vicky was very excited to test his new robo. So Vicky was giving his work. I am hungry. Cook some salad for me. Vicky is ordering to the robo. I do not eat salad. The robo is telling, I do not eat salad. I can't make the salad. I don't know to do the salad. Do you want me to strain my back? I can't do that. Then who will do this work, home cleaning work? What? You are a robot. You cannot refuse me to clean my room. You should not refuse. You have to do my work. Really, I can't believe this. At least charge my phone. He is not doing his home cleaning work and he is not doing salad for him. Two works he gave, he didn't do. Then he was giving the third work. At least, really, I can't believe that. At least charge my phone. I don't know to charge yourself. You must make some calls. You only going to make some calls. So you only charge your phone. I can't charge my phone. Huh? I have a headache now. Get me a cup of hot coffee. He's giving the another work to bring his coffee. My battery is draining by listening to you first. The robot is telling, standing here and listening all your work. You are giving one work. So all that works are listening to me. It is my battery has gone down. So please put a charge for my battery, is telling Robo. The boy was looking, and I'm very tired. Play me some pleasant songs. I want to relax. Who's telling? Robo is telling, I want to relax. Please do charge and put some pleasant songs. I want to listen and relax. The robo is telling. So at last the boy is doing all his work. First he doesn't want to make the salad, and he doesn't want to make the coffee. He doesn't want to clean his room, and he doesn't want to bake a charge. Robo is giving the order to that boy to do all his work. That's great idea. Why don't you play me one relaxed song and I want to do. Oh no, Dad, please sell this robo. It is totally useless. The boy Vicky is telling to his daddy to sell this robo because the robo is not doing any work for me. Totally useless. Yes, this time please tell me to an active master. The robo is telling, yes, I want to go to some other house. Please sell me to the active master. Then the master will do all for me. He is telling, so I don't want to work for the lazy people. Robo was telling, really, is that why you did not help me? The boy is asking, why you are not helping me? You are not doing any work for me. No, more robots for me. I will do all my work myself. The boy was telling, I will do all my work myself. I don't want any robo. Please sell this robo. Father, I don't want. So at last the boy changed himself and he is doing his all his work. So will the robo will help you to do all this work? No, we have to do our work by ourselves. So the boy has changed his life to doing his work at last. Thank you, children.